Hi friends, welcome to POFO WordPress Theme. In this video we will show how to use pop-up shortcode in WP Bakery Page Builder and explain about different helpful settings and different styles of pop-up shortcode. Pop-ups are a great way to show your content, form, video and map in pop-up instead of having them display in page itself or showing in different page. It will save your page area and not need to navigate to other page to read content. So first of all, log into WordPress admin backend, then create a new page or edit your existing page. Now you can see add element with plus icon. Click on row shortcode. Row shortcode is added to your page. Inside row, column is automatically added. Click on plus icon and click on POFO tab. Click on pop-up shortcode. You can see pop-up shortcode settings in pop-up here. POFO provides different type of pop-up content styles like pop-up contact form, simple modal pop-up, YouTube video in pop-up, Vimeo video in pop-up and Google Map in pop-up. So let me select pop-up contact form. This is the button title. Clicking on button pop-up will appear. So let me enter button title here. Select your contact form, so you should have installed Contact Form 7 plugin and you should have created one form at least, so you can select your form here. Let me select Contact Form Style 1 here. Pop-up ID, this is unique auto-generated ID and you not need to change it. Style tab, inside Style tab you can configure button size and colors. Responsive options, you can see learn same from column shortcode video to understand it. Go to Extra tab. In case if you want to customize the shortcode deeply, then you can insert unique element ID for pop-up element. You can insert custom CSS class name here and then write custom CSS code using element ID and class name. You can add custom CSS code in appearance customize panel, or you can add custom CSS code in child theme style file also. Let me save changes and let's check preview. You can see open pop-up button here. Let me click on it. You can see pop-up with selected form here. You can close using close button or using escape key from keyboard. Go back to general tab and let me select simple modal pop-up. This is purely for the content showcase. Here you can enter your pop-up title. Here you can enter your pop-up content. You can also select animation style like move or zoom animation. Save changes and let's check preview. You can see simple modal pop-up with zoom animation effect and content inserted. Go back to general tab and let me select YouTube video type. You can insert icon or image. Switch on this option to upload custom image, or you can select your desired icon from font icon available list here. Let me select this icon. Here you need to enter YouTube video URL in this format. Instead of 30 you need to use video ID. Let me enter video URL here. Save changes and let's check preview. You can see YouTube video here in pop-up. Go back to general tab and let me select Vimeo video type. Let me enter Vimeo video URL. Save changes and let's check preview. You can see Vimeo video is playing here in pop-up. Go back to general tab and let me select Google Map type. Here you can enter Google Map URL in this example format. Let me enter Google Map URL. Save changes and let's check preview. You can see Google Map in pop-up here as per Google Map URL. I hope this video has been helpful. Any more question about same or theme you can contact via our support. Thank you for watching.